Hey guys, I am doing a quick bathroom refresh, so I am pulling everything to the side. I am going to pull this stuff out the shower so that I can get started on getting this bathroom cleaned up. I have been putting this off, and I know I usually do this on a weekly basis, usually 2 to 3 times a week, but now I am taking my scrubbing bubbles here and I am spraying my shower doors down because it is really good for the soap scum. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm kind of just spraying this down so that I can let it sit while I get to the rest of the bathroom. I'm going to spray this, let it sit so that it gives me a chance to get the sink clean and the toilet clean. Then I'll come back to it once that has set in for a while, because I have been battling with this soap scum, something terrible. I think I got a pretty good swing of it now because I'm using the scrubbing bubbles with the soap scum, and it really works really well for that. So I'm just going to let that sit while I get to everything else. So now that I got the sink all cleaned off, I am going to prepare to bring everything back out. I'm going to wipe the stuff down that goes around the sink so that I can put it back in its place, because of course I'm cleaning up the bathroom and I like to wipe this stuff down too. I had noticed that my son, the inside of this thing looked disgusting, so I'm like right now at this moment noticing it. And so I decided to take everything out, his toothbrush and his floss pick for his braces, and I sprayed down there inside of it with some of my Clorox cleaner. Now, if I would have had my alcohol with me down there, I would have wiped in there with put alcohol in it, but I put some bleach cleaner in there. I shook it around. I added some water to try to get the inside out and clean, because it looked disgusting. I just could not take it. So now after I get it all wiped up and clean, wiped out, it looks amazing. Now that I've done that, I am taking a paper towel, kind of cleaning in there, getting it all done. So now I am just going to put this sink back together, bring out all his stuff that was on the side of the sink, and put it back up here so that I can move on to the next part of this quick bathroom cleaning. This area right here, I'm telling you, you don't have a clean bathroom until you get this area. You want this area to be nice and clean. It's just a for sure way to know you want a clean bathroom. One of my favorite areas to clean. I don't know, call me weird. I just like to have my bathrooms clean, especially down here. It's just important. It's just an important area of the bathroom to be clean. Now I'm gonna go over here on this other side and do the exact same thing. Make sure it's nice and clean. As I'm wiping, getting it all cleaned up. You'd be surprised how much stuff pile up. And then I'm just gonna come behind myself, kind of wipe it off with these paper towels. Because that's what I have handy. I don't have my microfiber cloth down with me for this bathroom. I need to just leave some down here so that I have them. But yeah, y'all get the gist of it. This is what I do. Smells good. Smelling good and clean already. Smelling very, very clean in here. Wipe this baseboard area off as well. While I'm in it, get that up. Wipe this down again. I'll scrub. Let's see here. I should have never used these things because I feel like so as you can see, I'm at the point where I am done with this toilet area, getting this last little finishing touches on this right here so I can move on to my pain, I will say. But I guess not really a pain because now I have got a pretty good handle on dealing with the soap scum on my glass shower doors. But here I am finishing up with our toilet so that I can finish up and be done with this bathroom altogether. It is really a thing for me to keep our bathrooms clean around my house. It is so important to me just to make sure that we have a clean bathroom at all times. Here's for the toughest job of the bathroom, which is this shower. Of course, because of this soap scum, I'm going to add some soap in here. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Yep, add my soap. Spray a little bit more of this. Yep. Now I'm going to pour some vinegar on this. I think this will do the job because I've been on top of it. So let's see what it do. Now, before I even put water on, let me let you get an up close and personal of what I'm doing. This is me getting to this soap scum. Scrubbing this soap scum down. chance of really getting it dealt with. Okay, let's see here. Let's see here what it do. Let's see. Okay, I have to add some water. I'm gonna add a little water to this thing. Spray some of this in here. Let's see what we're gonna get here. We're gonna get down inside and get this one done. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys, that's it. I am done. I am pleased with what the shower looks like. I am so happy that the soap scum is gone. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this content, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe my channel. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much.